Nikisha, looking at me eye them and tell me say you're not sure what. Cause the fucking girl look like one dog.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagon, bless upon yourself first and foremost. I hold on with the latest mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if for your first time over here. Alright guys, so you don't know Nikisha and her new man Sanka seemingly having a nice life going on, you know. And Marvin the Beast posts one picture with him and him new girl that Ali Berry is me. But the point is she's not a new girl because one picture circulate again from 2018, so Nikki been a get bun. But the point when I come for make today she a get roast, say she not look nothing like Nikki. So Nikisha, Jaja, if you know how you see it.
Yes, drunk girl, right? What a weird blood clot. Hey, what me not mix up, you know? I don't mix up. But me get little news. I mean I watch a thing, I mean I watch a pre-count the news, me do blood clot deep investigation when me do a thing. What do you me see blood clot Marvin started hype up himself with one little girl there. And I say yes, the girl look better than Bumbo Clot Nikisha sitting. Then Nikisha come out and whap it on him with the long cocky boy there. When he Sanka, big boy. Yeah, the boy with the alligator tail there. And me see boy have a blood clot. I'm getting to him a piece and not mix up, it's just a piece. More. Everybody see it because it's not me alone. All I have you on the seat. When he did it, remember I know, Marvin Nano Hood. We know that Marvin have little hood. We know about Marvin Hood long time. Look, who remember one time, Tompa bigger than that? Yes, Marvin. Marvin, you remember the first time they see me in one club, you cool up like coleslaw. Because you know, say me we box down here, because you see a shot, I we box down here. Well, me, and me I say, me Bumbo Clot, come Marvin, I shoot up with girl now. No one see your hood shot, and we know see your hood shot, you know. Mama come out and go so, big good. Big good in your face. Hey, hey. Jesus, guy, pussy will let me retire to water. Hey, one time Mama John, one time Sanka. The blood clot hood there, you know. Blood clot alligator tail. One big, the blood clot tree thumb. I dig out him baby mother hole in a man and mama. In a video just a bounce up and a vibrate up on the big hood. And I say, yo, look how mama help on Marvin. Me see Marvin come with that girl in and then. Me just say Nikisha got on blood. Hey! Yo, Jesus, yo, dancer, yo, boy, me not tell you no lie. Me yes, a blood clot, Nikisha got on dancer artist. Jesus Christ. So me yes, a Rastla mama dancer queen Nikisha. Me yes, a Rast. A big seat now go and mama drop two blood clot song there hot. But at the what? Me I get to the song. When me know say a word she a chew up on blood clot Marvin. You dirty Nikisha, I know about you. You chew some blood clot word for nasty beast in this song. And me know, hey, you know why me analyze it? Because me know say I know me alone blood clot seed. What of them dog-head girl? Dog-head, mama you did look like one donkey, you know. Me no know what that they say you did retire to. That girl never look better than Nikisha. You should have never got this. Mama write a blood clot song, you know. And that I feel you and the dog head where you have around. Mama say, oh, no dog head can't come round she, you know, because a Sanka alone a ride out the hole. That mama said that in the blood clot song, the big blood clot cocky. She said, no dog head, you have it. Mama, you look like one fucking mongrel. Me nah ask you, you look like one of brown puppy them down a blood clot yard there. You know the one them was fleecy? Them the one, cause you know, it's a combo. Remember, you know, from Gold God did tell the boy. Nasty beast, thinking my boy come out of my house and throw him out and into garbage bag them to blood clot. I say in a room think and frozy. From them the time the beast I look back a blood clot girl if you go catch you and buy a one blood clot bed in and I see man go for your dog and this is my G man. And mama go for an alligator tail. So two of them going to the animal district, you know. You should have not beat you, you're my sister, I love you, you know me across. You say anything when you hear me say, oh, I don't say, you know, I don't go fuck with it. You see, mama go for one blood clot alligator tail and blood clot beast go for one dog head. Mama said no dog head can't round me. Oh, none of them dog. No fucking dog head. When me hear it first, I say blood clot I want that true. Because I know me see it, I just fast, you know. I fast me blood clot fast, you know. I go over there to listen to his song, you know. Because one time Nikisha, me say Nikisha have one song out there, and I say, yo, me go over there go listen to it. If I'm a blood clot clash girl, or I'm a bumbo clot. You see me? Talk about pussy, I'm a sing about nine crutches. Me I say me bumbo clot. Mama not sing about her nine crutches, man. Mama did that show be a blood clot, what I lick my in them from left, right, and center. Hey, I want them doghead can DJ. Make it turn in a one splash. Right now. Hey, doghead, answer. See Jesus Christ. Doghead, you have to answer that because I be a blood clot money. And girl I walk with money and I say, yeah, doghead, you know no money. Doghead, you better reply. Holy God's award is blood clot. Mama, me like to one time girl a war and but yeah doghead. Because mama upgrade to an alligator tail and you still have the Vienna. And you have the blood clot Vienna now we no doghead. Doghead you have to reply. We have to hear the reply here to blood clot. Who know what is dog heads at? Who not to go over blood clot these fast and go tell me, man? Who not to go over blood clot these fast and go say, yo, what is him at? Who not at the girl over here? Let me tell him say you have a blood clot reply. Because the girl style up your blood clot little hood. You have a Vienna suches. Me want write Nikisha next song for you and Beast because I look like I want to clash this, you know. Remember say Beast can DJ and I fool that, you know. Doghead, you have to answer. Suck your mother, doghead. You never hear what me I say to your bitch. Hey, doghead. You must say no doghead can come. Come. She have a alligator tail. You have a Vienna. You come reply now, doghead, because you're not blood clot. Nikisha, what a way you look blood clot good for a 1 day to eat a little blood to the crocodile tail. Hey, Nikisha, you see how big would make girl wide out? Your blood clot hips them spread off like a bumbo clot house plan, girl. Hey, mama, you look like say you're a pussy clot body build up from foundation. Hey, mama, oh, you're sturdy from what day your body blood clot tight that the blood clot alligator tail does ram out the whole of your blood clot crutches. Mama, you whole of your crutches, the man have a blood clot alligator tail a big sanga. I want to ask you where you get that blood clot cocky there from, dada. Me not ask because I want it. I want size up thumper for the 2021, yeah. Bad time now. You see me I deal with? Me want to know how you get your hood for big, so. Because Beast hood little, you know. And my hood little, you know. I want little like remedy the work. I want some big hood too. Yeah, girl want big hood. I want some big hood for Camille belly. I want the blood clot there, man. Eh? Him father, your blood clot either. So what you try to say? My father hood little. How you say? Oh yeah, some father would little. And that you said to me? Say my father would little. You? Eh? I said my father would little. So Sanka would bigger than Fimika. Sanka father would bigger than my father would. Mommy this. Mommy this say you. My father. Well, me don't know nothing about my father would because never touched me there. You understand me I deal with? I don't know nothing about my father would but me certain. My father would not liquor. If I didn't thump all would come, I know that big wood. Big blood clot would me have come in would have bumbo clot body come down every time I fuck that. You see, every time I fuck she, our pussy does a blood clot drip beer blood. And them kind of cocky them you know me would have don't fucking violate. I try to share me have to share with blood clot crevices with ling ling. You see, watch it now. Dirty Amari. Dirty, stinking frozen Amari. On the first, on the way to the hot blood clot mama over here first. Queen Nikisha, I want to hear something from. Me no even more come, but somebody should have did that at him long time from over here so I scrape up him plate. Mama, you over here so I chew a word by. Me no know. You should have known say Beast would lick a long time. Me so come to you, Amari. Me so come to you. Me so come to fucking you. I so come to you. I so come to you. I so come to you, Abini. I so come to you, Abini. You understand? You should have known say Beast Woodland. A shame on you as a Portlander. Portlander girl have the good blood clad, yellow yam and bumper clad run down body. Girl, your pussy tight. And we know that. That's why you go for the little hood. Don't do that again. See Crocodile Taylor right now have your wine like an umbrella. So your blood clot hips them blood clot bouncing. Right? 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 Yes. 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 Nikisha with a tight tool. Eh? Tight tool blood clot, Nikisha. Why you throw a word from beast, woman? What beast? Beast, dirty beast. Why you throw a word for dirty beast? Who don't go listen to the blood clot song? Because even me alone think say Nikisha throw a word. Nikisha, looking at me eye them and tell me say you're not throw a word. Because the fucking girl look like one dog. Look like one fucking brown mongrel. You know, the little brown spot mongrel them no longer yard there. Little bumbucklad. Carmel are sitting and they fuck and they fat and you understand like a lamp pile and ray. You watch your word, so why? Eh? You see this life a go worse off anybody else. You hardly see this brother. Why you lick him so hard? You see a woman wicked? Yes, Nikisha, you look better than Nikhil. Yes, Nikisha, your body turn up. Yes, Nikisha, your face. Why you licking man girl so hard? Doghead you go. Why a doghead? Why doghead do? Hey, Nikisha, you have to explain why a doghead you go. Why is doghead you go, Nikisha? You have to tell me. Tell me why is doghead. Why a doghead, Nikisha? Tell me. We saw that she was fucking ugly to her favorite one spatty mongrel. Why you sing this song? You start off in New Year because a bad girl here. You clot a girl in her face with a shandy buckle. You lick him first. Me a go clot Maka. And me a go clot blood clot Amari too. Because this year, a bad girl here, all the way a fight for fucking fitties. Here one now, Nasi Maka.